Taga-bukid. Ang taga-bukid, uwi na sa bukid. Bayan ni. Let's go. Bye! Dili na yung bag, aray yung bag. Oh. Let's go na. Wow! What's that? Huh? Huh? What's that? Letter P. Let's go. Ay, put in your bag. Ano, nag-wait is daddy sa mall.
Where you get this from?
In your bag. Put in your bag. Eh, kasi daddy, waiting is daddy sa to ah. Sa mall.
Oh, Mom, give me that.
Hey, come here. Wait. Yan guys. So yan. Naghatid muna ako ni Lian sa school. Then after, punta kami doon sa Seda Buffet. Waiting na yung husband na. Husband ko. Yeah. Na hi. So cute. Ah. Ito. Friend mo?
Oh,
Gwapo po yung friend.
dapat ni bago may dakan.
Ah.
So,
See? Yan. Ay, nakanak. Sige.
Open up until 12, so we want to pick up some things.
It's almost 12.
You can push it aside.
what?
Nice.
What?
You always look good.
What?
You look beautiful.
Name.
Guapa.
Hey.
So beautiful. Press the button. Five. For five.
5.
Five.
I don't.
Five.
Down, yeah.
Five. You know five. I don't have to tell you five.
Is down?
I gotta spell it out. Five. I think it's easy.
Ganda ng bus.
He likes this. He likes this.
We are here in Sida. Dito kami sa Sida, guys. Kasi kami buffet. Lunch buffet. From school pa ka na? Nakay very good la. Nakay very good. Wow.
No, Mami.
Ayan, after dito, magkain kami, ano. Uwi agad kasi wala pa ko na tapos mag-impake. Getting ready sa travel namin mamaya. Uwi kami Mindanao. Are you excited?
Miss ko, I miss my cat.
You miss your cat.
Kaya
Cat Robert?
Yes.
Oh, yung pusa namin guys doon sa Mindanao, yung pangalan is Robert. Yeah. Kapangalan sa papa ni Lian. Yung Miss Robert? Huh?
What
Cat?
Mommy? That cat Robert?
Hmm?
You said, help, Robert, help. You said,
Yeah, yeah. They're pretty good.
Lian, behave mo. Wait na. Wait sa. Nak, dirty nak. Handog. Yummy, yummy. Yummylicious. Hello. Pang reels. Wow, so yummy. Ito yung favorite ko guys, oh. Ito. Ito yung favorite ko. Ano, mostly ang foods nila ngayon is Filipino foods. Hello. Filipino foods kasi pero sinulog. Tuloy yung akin. Favorite ko, sushi. Sulian. Are you okay there, honey? Enjoy. Busog na busog. Ang sushi ang yung yun ako guys. Sobrang sarap ng sushi. Marami pa doon no, pero busog na ako.
You're convenient to everything.
Sushi daw. Sushi. Pero busog na ako, hindi na makasya sa tummy ko. Yan, i-finish yung chocolate o i-finish. Busog na po ga? Hindi na finish pa yan.
It started with 4, now it's up to 14.
Ito yan yung mukha ko guys. Klaro talaga yung mga pekas ko.
Mommy, this is Mom.
What?
I said, hi guys, so many guys. Say you guys. I want it, Mom.
Working out.
Tennis.
Tennis, basketball,
Okay.
Mommy,
What?
ping pong,
can we buy like my shop?
yeah,
Can we buy Simon?
yoga. Well, it depends on what you
APR behave.
participate in.
Doctor.
The courts, we play 300 an hour.
APR behave.
We just get 200 a week.
APR behave, okay? Hello everyone! So ayan, getting ready na.
Get ready na.
Pabalik-balik ang tumasuot ko guys.
Balik-balik
Bahala
suot
na.
guys. Inaana na.
Ipagsuot na.
I do.
So maiwan naman mag-isa yung husband ko dito. You're okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Oh, no.
Just for 3 days. 4 days.
You have 3 weeks?
Okay. 1 month. 3 months.
Oh.
So let's go yan. Ayan guys. What's wrong? So let's go. Ngayong bag namin Lian oh. Tara na. Diba? Taga-bukid. Ang taga-bukid, uwi na sa bukid. Bayan eh. Let's go. Lian. Bye-bye. Come here. Ayan guys. Going na kami. Na, bye-bye. See you
Bye-bye.
later. See you later.
See you later.
Bye,
Guys.
Okay.